Close it down. Shimmy to the left. Shimmy to the...
Now read the card. You'll find it in the seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help.
Of course, if you're travelling in the premium cabin, the Q-Suite safety card is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures in case your suite door is jammed in the closed position.
And now you can enjoy that blockbuster you've picked out from your 4,000 plus entertainment options on your Oryx One.
Please carry all electrical goods with lithium batteries in your cabin bag. This includes power banks and any spare batteries. All electronic devices must be disconnected from in-seat power during taxi, takeoff and landing. Please take care not to let them fall down the side of the seat. And if you notice any device overheating, please notify a member of the cabin crew immediately. For more information, please visit QatarAirways.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wearing a facial and face mask due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, kindly ensure that you remove your facial and face mask prior to putting on a drop-down oxygen mask during a decompression. Thank you.
इसकी आंखें बता रही है कि फेक